43. Keep yourself in the boat. One of our most popular sins is to be fretful and worry. We justify our anxiety by listing all kinds of reasons why we have a good cause to worry and will not face up to the fact that it's a sin. Worry means distrusting God, who promises that He makes all things work together for good to them who love Him and are the called according to His purpose. Romans 8:28. Remember the storm in the Sea of Galilee? The disciples were badly frightened, and they turned on Jesus in their terror, crying, "Master, carest thou not that we perish?" Jesus stopped the wind in the storm, saying to the elements, "Peace, be still," and to His disciples, "Why are ye so fearful? How is it that ye have no faith?" Mark 8:38-40. Our Lord described their fears and worries as no faith. The same is true of us. Our Lord has already done the greatest of all things for us. He's given His life for our redemption. It's a small thing for Him now to care for us. Worrying means no faith. Faith means trusting in Him and obeying Him. Now, the next time you start to worry, close your eyes and think. Remember, Jesus took you on board. Why jump overboard? Stop and think, and keep yourself in that boat on the Sea of Galilee. You are, after all, in the ark of salvation. Is there any safer place to be than with Him and in His care? Can there be any question that to worry in those circumstances is to sin fearfully? The greater fact is not your problem, but the Lord and His care. The ark of salvation is an unsinkable ship. Keep yourself in the boat and stay there always.